What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 11 on any desktop or laptop computer that has 1GB or 2GB of RAM. I'm sure by now you've already tried installing Windows 11 on your computer and it showed saying your PC does not meet the requirements to install Windows 11. If you haven't tried installing Windows 11 on your PC, let me just show you what it would have brought if you tried installing it. Don't download updates. Next. Okay, here it's where it's checking if your computer meets the requirements to install Windows 11. As you can see, my PC does not meet the requirements to install Windows 11. This PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Here's why. 1. The processor isn't supported for this version of Windows. 2. The PC must support TPM 2.0. 3. The PC must support Secure Boot. Well, my PC does not support all those, so I'm going to show you an easy way to install Windows 11. I'm going to click on cancel, wait for setup to clean up before it closes. Okay, so we'll go back. Let me just eject. Okay, we are going to need two folders. One, we'll name it Windows 11, and the other we'll name it Windows 10. If you don't have these files, the ISO files, I'll put a link down in the description where you can download Windows 10 and 11. Okay, so we're going to start with Windows 11. We're going to copy all this into the folder of Windows 11. Okay, so once that is done, we're going to go back and do the same to Windows 10. Let me just eject this and Windows 10. Do the same thing to Windows 10 and move it to Windows 10 folder that we've created. Okay, so once that is done, we're going to eject Windows 10. Okay, these two folders, these are the folders that we need. I'm going to start by opening Windows 10, and in sources we're going to look for a file called install.wim. Here's the file we're looking for, install.wim. Here's the file we're looking for. So I'm going to delete this, close, open Windows 11 folder, sources, then look for the same file called my PC that didn't reach the system requirements of Windows 11. As you can see, Windows 11 is installed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified once I upload another video.